Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my humble abode. Got a little bit of a new background going on. I was showing my mom this background and she's like, it doesn't look real. I just want to tell you, it is real. I'll prove it right now. Look, it's real. Okay, anyway, the purpose of today's video is I really wanted to try some new makeup that I got specifically from Refy. So I got the water bronzer and the water blush. My cat again is playing. We move on. Anyway, so I've been really excited to try these. I really like cushion products. So as you can see, they're obviously very different in size. So the smaller one is the blush and you get 7 grams of product in this one. The bronzer, you get 12 grams of product, which is fine, I think, because I think with the bronzer, I'll probably use more product. They're quite pigmented from what I've swatched. In the blush, I got the shade Acai. I don't even know how you pronounce that, by the way. In Australia, I used to always say Acai, but I think it's Acai. You tell me how I pronounce that. I have no idea. Anyway, in the bronzer, I got the shade Bay, and you can kind of see the shade of the product in the back. And you can, I'll just show you the both of them. So that's what the shades look like. So I might have been a bit overconfident with the blush shade. You can see it is quite dark and I'm not super tan and don't have a deep complexion whatsoever. So I'll be testing this on fair skin to see if it actually works for my complexion. We'll find out together. So the blush comes in 3 shades altogether. So there's a more pinky one, a more apricot one, and then there's like this berry shade. With the bronzer, you get 5 different shades. So I got the shade Bay. I think this is like the 3rd one in line. So it's not the lightest, it's not the darkest, it's like kind of in between. So the price, actually I forgot to show you, there's a brush that comes with it. So I got this brush as well. So yeah, this is the brush. This is really, really nice. I've been using it already. I haven't used the other products yet, but I absolutely love this side for cream bronzer and blush. I've even used it for foundation before and oh my god, it is so soft. I love it. I haven't used this side yet, but I'm going to be using it today. Okay, so the price for these, so 39 Australian dollars for the blush, $39 for the brush as well, and $43 for the bronzer. And something to note too, so the packaging's obviously a bit different. Obviously the blush is a bit smaller than the bronzer, as you can see. So there is obviously less product, but the actual functionality of opening is a little bit different. So with this one, you've got a button to press. So I'll just show you there. So you just press this little button and then the lid opens. But with this one, there's, will you focus? Yeah, there we go. There's like a little lip thing that you open with. So there's no button on this one. And the important thing to note with these cushion products, with any cushion product, I obviously just failed. So this has been like left open, which is not good because what that means is the product can dry out. So see, like that's the product in there. So you want to really make sure that that's shut. Okay, so I'm just going to speed through the application process for the foundation and other bits and pieces. And then, yeah, I will see you when I'm ready to apply the bronzer and blush. Okay, so my base makeup and eyeshadow is done. So I'm at the point where I'm ready to go in with my bronzer. So they say on the website to use the thick side. So I'm gonna do what they say, but probably on the other side of my face, I might go in with this side. So like I said, I got the shade Bay. I'm just dipping in very gently. I love that this comes with a mirror. Ooh. Wow, that's really nice. I wanted to start with tapping motions so I didn't disrupt the foundation, but this foundation is pretty much bulletproof. So I could probably swirl it a little bit. wow. Like I didn't use much. Let's see if we can build it up. Probably don't need to, but I just wanted to test to see if the formula is buildable. Oh my god, yeah it is. That is stunning. Look at how glossy my cheek looks. Oh wow. So this is a water-based product, hence the name water bronzer. Yeah, I thought it would be like super sheer. I thought my skin would just drink this up, but at least at the moment, like so far, that's not happening. Just getting it into my hairline. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is really subtle, like really seamless. I feel like this would be fantastic for summer. Oh, I'm in love, guys. Look at that. Oh, I didn't put any highlighter on, by the way. There is nothing else on my cheeks. So do the other side. Oh, it's meant to go with the other brush, so here we go with a smaller brush. Well, I actually enjoy both sides so far. You get a little bit more control with the smaller side. So I could probably flip over and then blend out. I really should have put my hair up. I'm just lazy, guys. I almost prefer the bigger brush, actually. Like, I just feel like just enough density and the size is actually perfect. I feel like this side needs to be built up a little bit more. I have no words, that is gorgeous. So I am going to contour my nose with this. I just need a small brush. I'm going to use a small angled brush for this part, for my nose. And then I'm putting the excess back on my hand so I don't go in with too much product. So this is a very neutral shade, which I really like, but I do prefer more cool toned products for my nose. So I'm not trying to bronze my nose, I'm trying to contour, so I actually need something that is more of a shadow shade, something with more cool grey undertones. So this looks a little bit crazy, but I'm going to blend out with my finger. Oh, I actually don't mind that. Okay, so I'm going to try the blush next. So I've got the shade Acai. So like I mentioned earlier, it's really dark. So that's what the shade looks like. Actually, I probably should have done a swatch for you guys. So I'll do that now. So this one, you just press in gently. That is the shade Bay. And then we have the shade Acai next to it. So it is quite dark, but it actually matches my eyeshadow, which is kind of what I was going for. It's a bit of like a berry cola sort of vibe that I'm going for, hence the jumper, Diet Coke. And that's why I actually really liked this, because this sort of reminded me of the Benetint product. I don't have that, and I've always wanted to try it, but this is just like, this just packs more of a punch, I think. I really enjoy the like cherry cola sort of blush vibes that I'm seeing online. Here we go. I'm a bit nervous. So I'm gonna use the small part because it's actually quite big for the blush. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drag it across my face, sort of like that Zendaya look. I'm going to start on my cheeks. And then just run it across my nose. And it's a similar vibe. If you don't know which Zendaya look I'm talking about, it's the one where she looks kind of burnt a little bit. Like she's got like really bronzy cheeks. It's just carried across the front of her face as well. Oh god, that's actually quite subtle. I'm gonna try and build it up because I do actually want it to show up a little bit more. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. And you know, I feel like I do have to build it up a bit because on camera, it's not really showing up as much as I would expect. Yeah, there we go. Oh my God. This is a very summery look actually. I'm gonna go over it with my sponge just in the parts where I want it to be a bit more soft. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I hope you can see what I'm talking about. Like, I feel like the light might be a bit too bright. I might actually turn it down a little bit. I think that's a bit better. You let me know if you think this is better, like in terms of the like light brightness. Maybe just slightly right in the center of my cheeks. Yeah. So this does work for fair skin. 100%. I can definitely say that it works for fair skin. It looks scary, but when you blend it out, I'll show you on my hand. So that's what it looks like when you pick it up on your hand, but when you blend it out, I don't know, you can see it just kind of melts into the skin and it just becomes sort of like a tint. Look at that, it's so much sheerer than you would expect. So I think this could work on any skin tone, to be completely honest, like from fair to dark. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lips, powder, and yeah, the rest of my makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, so the rest of the makeup is on, except for lipstick. I really wanted to show you guys the lipstick application. Really excited about it. So I've got my lips on. So they are just the NYX Lip Lingerie lip stains. So that's what they look like here. They've been sold out for so long, especially in Australia. So I have on both shades. So I have Up All Night and Cuff Me. So yeah, I mixed the two together. I feel like a berry princess. So the lipstick I wanted to show you is Thanks It's MAC, and it's the Lustreglass Sheer Shine lipstick. I feel like that would go really nicely with this look. I haven't worn it yet. I've only swatched it. Oh my God. Guys, the way that MAC has me in a chokehold with the lipstick scent is insane. So have you ever had a lipstick that you just keep putting it on and it's just like, I just can't stop. Oh, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. I'm so glad I got this. Okay, so my thoughts on the Refy products. So I'm obsessed with both of them. I mean, look at my skin, look at my cheeks. This is after powder, by the way. So I used the Hourglass Soft Veil Translucent Setting Powder, and my skin just looks incredible. I feel so glowy, but it's like there's no transfer. But anyway, I love the both of these. I will continue testing them out, but they're so easy to use. If you're intimidated, I was intimidated to be honest. But after using them, they're actually so straightforward. You just got to start with a small amount, I think, and then just build up. And also the brush, as soon as I saw this, was when it was released, I just had to have it. I'm not like a huge brush fan. Usually, like, I don't see people come out with brushes, and like brushes aren't my favorite makeup product or tool, really. Like, I see all brushes kind of look the same, to be honest. To be completely honest, yeah, that's just like how I feel. But when I saw this brush, I was like, I have to have this. This is just so different. You literally use it for so many things, and that's kind of what I'm about in my makeup collection, especially with my brushes. Anyway, huge fan of all of them. I would definitely go check them out if you haven't already. Okay, so yeah, that is it for the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and please let me know if you would like me to try something that I haven't tried yet or that I haven't filmed yet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.